Today I'm going to paint a Besta frame with you because I've been seeing pieces like this all over the internet, and I know we can do it better with Norse products, and I'm going to keep it under $400.
The key is to use a primer first and then let that fully dry and then go in with your coat of paint. A lot of people don't know that we have gone ahead and color matched all of our beautiful house mixed finishes with the closest Benjamin Moore color match. So you have the option to paint your IKEA furniture or add paneling from us. It's totally up to you. The final look after painting an IKEA frame is very smooth and seamless and truthfully looks very high-end. You want to let the paint dry overnight and then come back the next day ready to assemble your Norse doors. We're using the Maya doors today. We're going to use the 15-inch fronts, one left hinged and one right hinged, because I'm going to flip one of the doors so then it kind of creates an oval shaped pattern. Maya is a gorgeous carved design and it's super versatile. In this piece, I wanted something a little more unique and eye-catching that is on trend with the very expensive pieces I've been seeing all over the internet. The final look was amazing. The painted frame matches the doors perfectly and it is just absolutely gorgeous.